Let's explore the three main types of neurons in the human nervous system. Neurons are specialized cells that transmit nerve impulses throughout the body. Understanding their different functions is crucial for comprehending how our nervous system processes information and coordinates bodily responses. First, let's examine sensory neurons, also known as afferent neurons. These specialized cells transmit impulses from the periphery of the body to the spinal cord and then to the brain, where they are interpreted and sensed. Examples include the sense of taste, sight, touch, hearing, and smell. Next, we have motor neurons, also called efferent neurons. These neurons convey impulses from the brain and spinal cord to other parts of the body, stimulating glandular secretion or causing muscle contraction. They are responsible for executing voluntary and involuntary movements throughout the body. The third type are intercalated neurons, also known as interneurons. These are found between sensory and motor neurons and form crucial links in the pathways of nerves. They process and integrate information within the central nervous system, allowing for complex reflex actions and coordinated responses. Now let's understand synapses, the crucial connection points between neurons. In nerve impulse transmission, whether sensory or motor, more than one neuron is always involved. The synapse is the point where the nerve impulse passes from one neuron to another. Various chemicals known as neurotransmitters are secreted in the synapse and are involved in the transmission of information across this gap. Finally, let's discuss tissue repair capabilities. Embryonic tissues can divide by mitosis, enabling growth and repair. However, as the body develops, certain tissues like muscular and nervous tissues lose their ability to divide. This is why nervous tissue has limited regeneration capacity. Following tissue damage, repair begins with an inflammatory response. Blood vessels form clots, fibroblasts create fibrous tissue, and epithelial cells undergo mitosis to form new cells, though nervous tissue repair is often limited to scar formation rather than true regeneration.